I didn't plan to make money. I didn't even plan for this channel to work. But somehow, 5 videos later, I woke up to something I was never expecting. I was making more in a single day than most people make in a week. And the crazy part? It all started with videos that were basically invisible. I launched a brand new YouTube channel from zero. No audience, no subscribers, no momentum. Just a simple goal. Figure out if YouTube still rewards small creators who actually try harder than everyone else. So I picked a niche where people were posting a lot, but nobody was going deep. Just quick uploads, low effort, same style over and over. That felt like my opening. It all started with videos that were basically invisible. My first video took me days. I overthought everything. Editing, pacing, thumbnail, hook. I uploaded it thinking it might do something. It did nothing. Literally almost no impressions. No clicks. No audience. Just silence. And that's when I realized something important. YouTube doesn't care how much effort you put in at the start. It only cares if it knows who to show you to. So instead of quitting, I treated it like a test lab. Video 2, slightly different idea. Still nothing. Video 3, I changed the strategy completely. I stopped thinking like a creator and started thinking like a viewer. What would actually make someone stop scrolling? That's when things started to shift. Not instantly, but YouTube finally started testing my content. A few impressions here, a few clicks there. Nothing big yet, but it was movement. And on YouTube, movement matters more than success. Then, I made a video that was different. Not just a gameplay video, not just another upload. It was built around a question people couldn't ignore. Something curiosity-driven. Something that makes you click without thinking. I uploaded it and didn't expect much. But this time, YouTube started pushing it. Slowly at first, then more aggressively. And suddenly, I wasn't just getting views from subscribers. I was getting discovered. That's when everything changed. One video started climbing, then another, and I noticed something weird. YouTube wasn't just testing me randomly anymore. It was placing my videos next to bigger creators. That meant I was finally in the system. Not outside it, inside it. One day, I checked analytics and saw something I didn't expect. Thousands of views. Not viral level, but real traction. And more importantly, watch time. People were actually staying. That's the signal YouTube cares about most. And that's when monetization stopped being a dream and started becoming math. At this point, I wasn't even focused on money yet. I was focused on consistency. But the numbers started adding up anyway. A few videos doing well, a few more getting recommended. And suddenly, my channel wasn't a new channel anymore. It was a system that was learning who to show me to. Then, it happened. One video broke out. Not slightly, completely. Views started stacking faster than I could understand. And for the first time, I realized this wasn't luck. It was compounding discovery. Every video was feeding the next one. When I finally checked the revenue, I stopped for a second. Because the number wasn't huge, but the pattern was. It was earning every day, even while I slept, even while I wasn't uploading. That's when it hit me. You don't need a perfect video. You need a system that keeps working without you. Most people think YouTube is about going viral.
But it's not. It's about stacking small signals until the algorithm can't ignore you anymore. One video doesn't change your life, but 5 connected videos, that can change everything.
And the craziest part? I'm still early. Because once you understand how discovery actually works, you realize something uncomfortable. Most creators quit right before things start working.